Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Not doing much today, but I do need to get a few parts off of this parts car. I got this car as a parts car from somebody because it has title issues. Timing belt's loose, so I'm not sure if there's anything wrong with that. But I'll roll it over, find out if it's had any contact or anything. But I'm just picking parts off of it. The seats are pretty good. I'm getting the fuel rail today. This coolant reservoir, temporarily use it, give it away to somebody, and probably will take this sunroof out too. Floor mats, carpets in great shape, seats are in great shape. So I'm gonna take these blend door motors, a few other things. Yep, it's getting parted out. Ah, that door panel's bad. You don't see that often, but this is a gray door panel, not a black one. So these folks here got most of the parts. Let me grab a couple things I need before I forget, and I might work on their car for a few minutes, then get back to the house. Taking this, man, a windshield wiper wouldn't be a bad thing. I had one of those go bad. But I'm gonna get this fuel rail off of here for somebody. Line's already gone, sent those off to New York. Probably need the wiper arm. Got various things off of there. Alternators here. These folks here might need it if theirs is busted. But unplug these injector things. Take this fuel line off. Take this fuel line off. Take these two bolts out. Take this vacuum line off. And this fuel rail pop right out. Time to put the fan on. I could actually do a fan reversal mod, which would be cutting this part of this fan housing off, doing the same to the back side, and then mount the fan in from the inside. And that would pull that fan in closer to the radiator and give you more space to work on things. Let me see if my snippers will cut that off real quick. Cut some of the trim out here and on the top side. Now let me fit it into that fan shroud. You can see a hole lined up there, hole lined up there, hole lined up there, hole lined up there. Fan facing this way. Pull the wires through. I'm gonna go ahead and trim a little bit more off of that corner right there so that it can look more like this, and then I'm gonna screw it in. Fits in there perfect, and you'll have more room in the engine compartment. Started adding coolant, and the firewall junction was crushed. The turbo smashed the coolant lines and busted the firewall junction. So we got that out. We got the heater core bypassed. We filled it up. We didn't have clamps, so we used zip tie. We'll come back and clamp it, but we want to see we get this thing to fire up and run.
Lap 4.
If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.